Okay, so now you've finished your shoe, you need to do your reflection and turn it in. The very first thing you need to do is open your shoe in Photoshop. You're going to go to File, Export, and then go to Export As. When you are in Export As, this is how you can turn it into a picture. So we're going to go over here to the format, and most pictures are in JPG or JPEG format. So we're just going to change this to JPG and we're going to hit export. You need to save it. I would save it to your Q2 folder. Oops, wrong thing. Hold on. This one. And if I go to an Intro to Arts and my Q2 folder, and then I can hit save. Okay, once you're done with that, you can go ahead and minimize this or close it. We're not going to need it again. So you're going to go to your SSO, and you're going to go to Schoology, and our course. Week ending 11/21, and this one says that it's the Final Shoe PowerPoint. Okay, so you need to click on it. It's going to open in here, but for you to be able to write on it, you're going to click the download button and it will show up over here. So we're going to click on it and say open. So now it's opening in PowerPoint. You have to click the yellow bar or you will not be able to write or type or insert. So click Enable Editing. So the very first thing you need to do is change this. It's going to be by you. So I need you to just click once. You see how you get your box, and you can highlight it and you can put in your name. Okay, so it should not come through as by Dr. Gerald because I'm not the one doing it. So over here you would have what does your shoe do? So what is the special feature, the thing that nobody has done before? And it says right here to click to add text, and you can type your text. Please make it in complete sentences. It is good practice. The next one is why is the Z shape important? We talked about this at the beginning. It was one of the requirements of the project. So you just click again and you can type. List 10 skills that you have learned in this unit. Now, the easy way to do it is that, one day we did sparkles, one day we did filters. And you can just list them. It says list. That means that you do not have to put it in full sentences. So you can just make a list of 10 things that you have learned. It could be about the Z shape. It could be about logos, slogans, whatever it is that you learned. I need 10 things that you learned. From your critiques, you need to write down 2 critiques that helped you edit, understand what you did well or what you needed to fix. If you were not here for the critiques, just put I was not here for the critiques and then it'll be fine. Now that you're done with Photoshop, the intro to Photoshop, you're not done with Photoshop, but the intro to Photoshop, you need to write a paragraph telling me the difference between Paint and Photoshop. So you can, if you understand the Pearl method, which I'm not sure if 6th grade has done yet, you can do the Pearl method. If you have not, then don't worry about it. Just write a paragraph telling me the difference. The last one is my project. So what you need to do is, you see how this comes up here? So you're going to go to pictures, which is this second one here. You're going to click on it, and you are going to go find your picture. Click, 8th grade, Intro to Arts, Q2, and then you can make it bigger so that it fits here. All right, and then you will save this. So you need to go to File, Save As, and we're going to save it as Shoe Reflection, and we're going to put it in Q2. So we're going to go back up here to OneDrive. I'm going to find our 21-22, our Intro to Arts, our Q2, and then click Save. Now that you've done that, you can go ahead and close this. You can go back to the week ending 11/21, and then it says Final Shoe Project PowerPoint. This is where you will turn it in. So you'll click on it, and over here it will give you the button to submit. I hope you had fun with this project, and if you have any questions, just ask. If not, have a wonderful day.